Today I'm going to unbox this. This is a brand new Apple iPhone 11. So this is the regular iPhone 11, not Pro, because this one has two camera. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Got this out of Apple, and it is unlocked version. So if you buy a full price on the phone, you want to go ahead and purchase the unlocked version in case you're going to switch to a different company. So you don't need to worry about requesting the unlock code from your carrier. So this one is the 128 gigabyte storage. And this one is the white color. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, the white one looks super clean. And you got the silver on the mid frame. There's your silent switch. And your volume up and down rocker. Here's your sleep, wake, or power on button right here. And your SIM card tray. So just power on real quick. And then your microphone, your lightning charging port, and then your speaker grill right there. There you go, you gotta set this up. And you got the notch. And this one's designed by Apple in California. Well, you know, the phone is made in China. Come with the two other Apple logo white sticker. There's your SIM card eject tool. And a quick starting guide. Here's the AC to USB Type A adapter. And come with the earpiece with the lightning charging port. And then here is the data cable. Well, anyway, this is a quick unboxing, and hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. And like always, peace.